Where is your happy place? Is it a tropical island paradise like this, where the warm summer sun, blue skies, turquoise water, and powdery sand meet? If so, adventurers, let me take you to another day in this tropical island paradise here in Panglao, Bohol, Philippines. Good morning, Mama. It's early morning here at the shore of Alona Beach here in Panglao Island in Bohol, and there's our hotel, the Alona Q Hotel, or what is known now as Villa Tomasa. And this is the beach during this time of the morning. This is Tuesday, so there are no people roaming around yet because it's early morning. There's my mom chilling at the hammock. There are boats and there are people sweeping the beach or the shoreline because there are lots of seaweeds. I took my mom to the beach at sunrise for her to get a dose of the much needed vitamin D and some chill time. The locals were up and about. One was sweeping the seaweeds that got washed away to the shore overnight. Some were getting their boats ready for island hopping tours or fishing. Meanwhile, my mom and I had a few minutes of walk along the shoreline as our form of morning stretch. Since my mother have medical conditions, we could not go for island hopping or any activity that would involve getting exposed to the heat or being under the sun for like quite a period of time because my mom has hypertension and also many other ailments, and so she just couldn't afford to like expose herself to extreme heat. Bye. After basking under the sun for more than an hour, we directly headed to the in-house restaurant for our breakfast. But we had to pass through the swimming pool first. And to be allowed entry, I had to put on dry clothes. The restaurant served traditional Filipino breakfast. Choices of congee and chocolate porridge, noodles, pasta, rice, Spanish sardines, vegetables, breads, fresh fruits in season, and juices were available. You can also have your eggs cooked any way you like in the egg station. Though there was nothing out of the ordinary for our breakfast, the view from our table, I have to say, is stunning. And that alone for sure could make you smile. We had our breakfast there at the restaurant. And then I already had a swim. This guy is offering water activities or diving or anything like that, or even land tours. And I am off to find some souvenirs. try to look for some souvenirs here. Very near our hotel is this shop and mini mart where I got my bottles of water, and then there's this Borloloy souvenirs and pearl jewelry shop, and then there are dive accessories or swimming accessories or even scuba diving accessories and stuff available here at a certain store. And as you can see from the signage, there's a mini mart, a pension house, a massage parlor, a money changer, a tattoo studio, and even a dive shop. I went to this store to shop for souvenir and gift items and trinkets too. They have a wide array of things to buy and take home. And I'm totally sure that you will love it here just as much as I did. By now, I'm sure you have realized where my happy place is. Now it's your turn to tell me yours. After shopping, I had to get back to the hotel and get ready for another adventure with my family here in Bohol. If you appreciate this kind of content, please feel free to write your comment down below and also like, share, and subscribe. This has been Jane of Adventure. Thank you all for watching and see you on the next vlog.